Are you in a relationship and want an easy, safe way to know where your partner is for trust, safety, travel updates, or emergencies? In this video, I'll show you how to share real-time location using Google Maps step by step so you and your partner can stay connected anytime, anywhere. You're watching True Vibes Media. If you love helpful tech tips and tutorials like this, please subscribe, like this video, and share it so more people can learn useful digital life skills. Let's begin. First, a very important reminder. Location sharing should always be based on trust and consent. Never try to track someone secretly. Google Maps real-time location sharing is designed for transparency, safety, and mutual agreement. Both partners must agree before enabling it. Now let's go through the simple steps. Open Google Maps on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. At the top right corner, tap your profile picture or your initial. From the menu, tap Location Sharing, then tap Share Location. If you're using this feature for the first time, Google will explain how it works. Simply tap Continue. Next, Google will ask how long you want to share your location. You can choose a specific time like 1 hour, 2 hours, or 24 hours. Or you can select until you turn this off if you want continuous sharing. Choose whatever feels comfortable for your relationship. Now select the person you want to share your location with. You can type your partner's Gmail address, choose them from your contacts, or share the link through WhatsApp. In this video, I'll share the link through WhatsApp. After selecting, tap Share. Your partner will now be able to see your live movement in real time, including your direction, speed, and battery level if it's enabled. For your partner to share their location back with you, they simply repeat the same steps and share their location with you. When both of you share locations, you can see each other anytime without calling or texting to ask, "Where are you?" Now here's how your partner views your live location. They will open Google Maps, tap their profile icon, then tap Location Sharing. Your name will appear there. When they tap your name, they'll instantly see your exact position on the map. This works worldwide as long as both devices have internet access and GPS enabled. Let's also talk about privacy and control because that is very important. You can stop sharing your location at any time. Just go back to Location Sharing, select your partner's name, and tap Stop. You are always in full control. You can also limit how long your location is shared and change who sees it at any time. Location sharing is especially useful for long distance relationships, traveling, late night movements, emergencies, and simply checking on each other's safety. It also gives peace of mind. Here are some important safety tips. Only share your location with someone you truly trust. Never use this feature to stalk, control, or spy on someone, or always communicate openly about why you're using it. When used correctly, this feature strengthens relationships. It doesn't harm them, and that's it. That's how to share real-time location with your partner using Google Maps safely and easily. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe to True Vibes Media, like this video, and share it to help others too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next helpful guide.